Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create tiny planet effect. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get started. The first step is to open an image you want to edit. Select the crop tool. Aspect ratio 5:2. Adjust the crop area. Select the Straighten tool. Draw a line along the horizon to straighten it. Right-click on the background layer. Select Duplicate Layer. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. We have to blend the sides of the photo with each other. Make sure background copy is selected. Add a mask layer. Select the Gradient tool, black to transparent, linear. Click and drag to make a gradient blend. You can touch it up with the brush tool. Right-click on the layer and select Flatten Image. Go to Image, Image Size. Make sure the chain is unclicked. Change the width to the same as height. Go to Image, Image Rotation, flip Canvas vertical. Go to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinate. Select Rectangular to Polar. This is the final result. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe and like if you found this tutorial helpful.